Okay, I'm here. I am back. So, what I want to do before we start here, what I said I was going to do yesterday is let's go LDTK plugin. We're just going to send out um, clone repo and send out pull requests, right, for my changes. So I said clone, but what I really meant was fork the repository, right? So, how do we do that? Gotta go here to GitHub. Actually, we'll go A Gleason. A Gleason LETK. And open up my drink here. And I'm gonna fork it. Once I fork it, which is happening on my other screen, I'm going to copy and I'm going to pull that in over here. So what I'm going to do is just create a new terminal. We're going to put this in source. This is not our project. That's how I'm doing it. Home/source is not my projects. So git clone, whoop, was not done yet. Git clone this guy. Oh, what if I do something more like this? Oh, this is actually not so bad, huh? It's like more of a direct line. And the mic's more out of my face. Oh, I like that. I kind of like that quite a bit. Hmm. Okay. If I go git log. Oh. Okay. February 2nd. Oh, that was earlier this year. So what I'm gonna do rsync -a code glove add-ons. And I'm gonna look at the git diff. I'm like gonna try to bring in the stuff that I meant to change, which seems like it's a lot for some reason. Hmm. This is what we changed. Oh, separate world layers. Wait, we didn't mean to change that. Oh, so we fixed two things here. We fixed this, which was a bug. And then the other one was in... Where was the other one? Too many files are coming up in the diff. More than I thought would? It looks like there's some stuff that needs to be basically merged. So what file was this in? Importer.gd. Oh, it was in this file. Hmm. Oh, external levels. Where the heck did that come from before? Hmm. All right, what I might need to do... what I might need to do is pull the latest code into my project and then repatch what I changed. I thought my version was newer, so I thought just pulling this in was going to work. I don't think that's true. Which is crazy because the update was in February and I thought I pulled it in since then, but maybe I didn't. Okay, so whatever. So we go the opposite way. I think that should be good. Now when I do that, stuff's gonna change. Now stuff that I did change, I changed world. Which I thought would have been this. Well, you know what? You know what? We updated the plugin to the latest version. So here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna open the project and we're gonna see what comes in. So if level 6 doesn't come back, right. Invalid access to property key depth. This came back. World.gd line 83. So what we can try doing, so here's what I'm going to try doing. Before I change anything, I'm going to go to the add-ons importer, and I'm going to say add-ons LDTK update plugin. Update, plugin latest main from GitHub. Update plugin from latest main on GitHub. Cool. Now I have these things here, right? So this is one. And what was the other one? Fix broken import. Okay, hold on. Oh yeah, patch custom sort. So what I'm gonna try doing is we're gonna go like this. We're gonna do git status. Okay, I'm gonna do a git stash, and then what I'm gonna do is git status, git log one line. We're gonna pick a commit before the commits that we had. Actually, I wonder, let's do an experiment. Is there like rebase options in here? View merge rebase options. Oh, you're currently neither rebasing. Okay. Fair. What if I go down here? Move commit up one, but I want to move the commit up way more than one. Bisect options, reword drop, edit, start interactive rebase. Start an interactive reuse and include all commits from the head down to the first commit. If you'd like to instead start an interactive, press E. Wait, what? Oh. Commits from a head down to the first commit. Oh, I got it. First merge commit. I got it. So if you're on a branch, you would pick that one to do everything in your branch. Otherwise, you would do E, and it would be the commit that you selected. Let's try doing, I want to try using lazy git to do the rebase. I don't know how this works, but I've done this before using obviously just regular rebasing. So let's find our patch. Fix, yes. So I think I would hit E here. No. Yes, we want to do E here. And then it'll include enhance. Oh, look at this. And I bet you I can just use like Shift and K or something like that to move the commits up. Does that work? Oh, it's Control K. Oh, I see. So hold on. So let's go like this. It's not gonna work because I'm in Tmux. So I'm gonna have to go like this and do it from here. Oh. Oh my God. That's so crazy. Okay, wait, hold on. Then we're gonna do it for oh, the other one? Also, wait, hold on. Okay, yeah. I wasn't sure if I was live or not. I don't know why I randomly thought of that. Okay. So then we're gonna do that for this. And I don't know if this is gonna work. We're going to go like this. And then I don't want to abort the rebase. How do you apply the rebase? So there's edit. There's mark as base for rebase. Merge rebase options. Continue. Oh. Abort the rebase. My bad. My bad, my bad. Okay, so we're going to go fix broken import. We fixed that. We did that. Okay, we're going to start from here. We have to move our custom sort to the top. Then this comes up here like this. We put these 3 commits on the top after updating it. That was the mistake that I made. Squash, view rebase options, M. Reset G. Oh, so I guess I just do MC, continue. View conflicts. So in this case, I want to take theirs. The one on the bottom, which I think is theirs. Wait, how is this a conflict? I'm so confused about what I'm reading here. Is it a space? Like these colons don't line up, and I'm confused why these colons don't line up. Worlds dot sort custom worlds dot sort custom func a comma. Oh, he put a space in here. Dumb. Dumb. So, ooh, I don't know what that did. Oh, I guess that picks that one. Oh, okay. I'm guessing. We'll check this in a second. All right, whatever's the one that comes from main, we're going to use that one. Yeah, I'm okay with wrapping that. Yes, continue. Yes. View conflicts. Yes. Now here, this is where things will change. I'm going to go in here. I want to edit this though. Oh, sick. Because what I want to do is I want to respect the fact that he put a space in here. We're going to go like that. And then what? I just quit? Turn to lazy. Oh, sick. Yes. Yes. View conflicts. And we're going to go in here. Okay, now this is where things are going to, whoops, get tricky. Head. Oh. Had nothing. Yeah, because that's the patch that I just put in. That's the one we want to apply. Configure, continue, view conflicts. This actually is pretty simple for resolving conflicts. I'm super impressed. The only problem, I can't see the whole file right now, so I don't know what's going on. I think I want this bottom one, but I don't know what's going on up here. So I'm going to hit E to edit. Hmm? Uh-oh. I think I want this one. Oh. So it didn't have all of this. It just had handle references. I'm not sure if that's right. I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, I see. Head has this. Mine has this. So we can combine these. Oh, because I added pack levels if needed. And it looks like head changed this to wrap the lines. And that's why it changed. So that's why it's confused. We're going to go like this. And then we're going to go here and we'll just wrap this ourselves. I'm going to save that, but I'm also going to back this up real quick just to see real fast. Yeah, that's basically what he did. He just double indented his. So to put what he had, that'll make the diff cleaner. Mine I only indent once. I could do his style. Which I think is maybe even technically the Godot style. I don't like continuation indents. I don't like indenting, period. Like, it's good, but doing it too much is like not a good thing, in my opinion. So, don't know if anything's gonna work. Oh, it looks like it did work. Nice. So let's just go like this to double check. They should disappear for a sec and it will come back. No? Oh, my level file disappeared. Maybe that's why. Let's go project, reload current project, don't save. And I think what's going to happen is when the project gets reloaded, it's going to re-import everything, and all those files I just deleted should show back up kind of magically. Oh no. Failed to load script. Oh, static function log time. Parse error. Oh, so that's weird. So I don't know why that was even showing up. So what we're going to have to do here is go, that's fine. We're going to quit. We're going to attach our tmux session. We're going to go back into here and log time. I guess he deleted this. So what we're going to do is just delete that wherever it shows up. It's the simple way to do that. Failed to load script, parse error, import. I forgot what plugin I'm using in Vim right now. Oh, there we go. Error equals save world. Uh-oh. Probably this function has disappeared. Should be string, but it's LDK world. Ah, shit. That might have been something that I screwed up. Oh, pack levels if needed. It's right above my pack levels. That might be something that I broke in my merge. Oh, yeah. Oh, I chonked it down. He might have changed the type. So let's go like this real quick. And look at the diff. Hey, look at this. Levels equals save levels. Okay, I'm tempted to do this rebase over again. I'm tempted to do the rebase over again. So we're going to do that. So the way we do that in Git foo, also have to add some time onto my timer. The way we do that in Git foo is we use reflog. And reflog is our time machine. Well, you would think that Git checkout is our time machine, but reflog allows us to move through different states of the Git repository. So when you merge things and you rebase and all this other stuff, it's all tracked in the reflog. So we see rebase continue. These are all the steps that happened in my rebase, right? So I can go back even into the middle of my rebase, but I don't want to do that because that's going to confuse me. So what I want to do is rebase start. Let's see. I'm looking for the commit. Let's do git log one line because the message is going to be the same. The commit, these commit hashes all change. But what I'm looking for is this update plugin from latest main. Okay, add-ons LKey update. So let's grab that. And then what I'm going to do is git reflog. We're going to search for that. Oh, I forgot I'm not a Mac OS. Okay, so we're going to do that. And pattern not found. No. It's got to be there. Oh, it's right here for one, right? Update. Let's just search update, right? So here we have head. This is where head is. Oh, actually, that's a really good way to do it. I could always reset to head in the worst case if I had to, because I did all of this, even though it's all on the master branch. I did do all of this after pushing. So I can always reset back to head in the absolute worst case. But what we're going to do is we're going to grab this head 21. I'm going to do git reset hard head 21, or I could have used this hash for it, right? And that'll put me back to where I was, where things are still kind of broken. So what do we do now? So first thing, let's do our rebasing step by step. Let's do it like that. So what I'm going to do, I have to exit tmux to be able to use my control key because of my tmux binds. Fine. So we're going to go here. We're going to rebase the custom patch, right? We want to pull that one in first. That's the simplest change. Custom patch bug, pull that to the top. Boom. And then we're going to go continue, view conflicts. This is the first conflict. Oh, maybe that conflict was something I did by mistake. That's fine. Okay, so we pull that in, view conflicts. And now this, and we're going to go here, we're going to edit. And we're going to put that space back in. And that should be fine. And then I'm going to quit. And now this should be in good shape, right? This should be in good shape right now. So what we're going to do to test that is we're going to come back in here. Our import's probably not going to work. My file's still not showing up. Guys, my level file disappeared. Reload current project. Errors. Okay, so the importer did run. That's a good sign. But levels at LDTK, but probably this level 6, which is from the new world, probably is not coming in. So we'll delete all of them. We'll see what comes up when I click on this and I re-import. Nothing. None of them come in. And the reason why none of them are coming in is because my packed levels thing doesn't work. It's not implemented. That was the thing that we added in yesterday. But we're not getting any errors about depth, so my change is working, is what that means. So step 1 completed successfully, right? Even though it doesn't seem like it. So where are my levels? If I open up this, they'll be in here. Oh, they're not in here. Why? Is it because of that? Might be because I had them packed. Open anyway. Oh, they're not showing up still. Wild. So we might just have issues. Hold on, we might just have issues, period. I think we're in good shape, but maybe we're not. All right, but if we're not, we'll figure it out. That's what we're here for. All about learning. Open anyways. There is nothing in here. That's what we call a bummer. LDK version is okay, supposedly. But to be fair, we are doing the multi-world stuff, and we don't necessarily know that the multi-world stuff works. So I'm going to ignore this for now. What I am going to do is in LazyGit, I'm going to come and discard all these changes to scenes, which is me deleting all that crap. And we're going to pretend like this is working. And we're going to go on ahead and continue rebasing. So now we've got that. The next thing was fixing the world packing issue. So we're going to stage that one next. So we're going to go here. And we're going to move this one up to the top. Oh, sorry. We're going to do two things. So these two commits, we want to squash these. So we're going to squash this cleanup into this one. Because when we do our pull request, it's going to come in as a single change anyways, I think. Well, no, that's not true. It would come in as two different ones. But I think this is fine. Squashing is fine. So I'm going to do that. Continue. Now we're going to have conflicts. Conflict time. So what I need to do here is pay more attention to what's going on. We can get rid of the log time nonsense, right? Because the log time's gone. We don't have a log time function anymore. Right? So we're going to go that. We're going to go that. And now this one is the one that I presumably screwed up last time. And let's go edit this and see what's happening in here. So this was my change. Packed levels. So where does create world happen over here? Oh. So updating the plugin. Oh, for updating the plugin. I think we always want to take what they had. And just leave it at that, right? And here it was a string. Yes, see, here it used to be a string, and now it's an LDTK world. So we're going to grab this. We're going to go like this. We're going to take this one. Right? Because the type also changed. And I think that should be good. Now we're viewing more conflicts. Let's go in here. I'm going to edit it because I want to see the full file. Make sure my indentation, everything's still okay. Okay. Now, what were we doing before? I just want to make sure the order is right. So head just basically didn't have this code, so we added this code in. Create world still happens down here, so this is fine. I think we just add this. And everyone's happy. And we take out these log times because log time doesn't exist anymore. Right? And then everybody's happy. Continue rebase. Yes. This is just like the nature of rebasing. Sometimes you just kind of have to do it more than once because like you have to make sure you know what's going on. Sometimes it's very easy to screw up a rebase, right? That's my point. So you want to make sure you know cleanly what's going on. So, okay, we had this before, right? Now we've got this. Which I think is still right. And we still take our this, which delegates to pack if needed. Why is the indentation not matching? This is what confused the shit out of me the last time. Oh, he's got one line if statements. That's throwing me off. Oh, and then he creates world here. We don't need to create world twice. But world name sounds like a string to me. Right, now what I had done is I abstracted this into its own function. Oh, now there's two save worlds. Or is that... Yeah. Maybe that's the way it was. Oh wait, head has this. Yeah, head looks like it has both. Oh, yes. Yes, because this one has an extra parameter. So there are two functions called save world with different signatures. That's what's going on. That's also why I was confused. He didn't change the signature. He maybe added a new one, or maybe he just chonked it down and it created a conflict. And there were two the whole time. I don't know this code very well. It's not my code. So then, what do I do with this indentation here? If options pack levels, here we're creating world twice, and that probably shouldn't be happening. So head, and the other one is abstract, right? So I think, oh yes, I got it. So what we need to do is pack levels if needed. Oh gosh. Okay. Right. So over here, I had copied what he had previously over here last time. But now what he's got over here is different. So instead of resolve references, clean resolvers, which is what we had before, now he's got this nonsense. Right? And if pack levels, he's got this. Right. So I think just handle references does that. And then this, the else, world requires levels. So then this has to come up here. No. That's going to stay down there. But this, hold on, let me back this up a sec. Oh shit, it's the same file. I just want to see this output, block save levels happens in both. See, this is why I hate this code. He does the same thing on both sides of the if statement. Like, you don't have to do that. Handle references. Okay, so the only difference is handling the references. So that log statement, this one should be the same. And we can shove that in here. I think. Log time doesn't exist anymore. So we're going to delete that. This is his code that was commented out here, which is funny. I'll leave his commented thing in. I don't know what the hell it means. And save world, and then this whole chunk gets deleted. I think that is the proper way. Oh, and then this handle references thing. Right. And so what happens here is we pack levels if needed. And then this comes out like that. Sorry, that was confusing. We go like that. And we get rid of this branch. Built levels. Wait a sec. Pack levels if needed. Oh, my bad. Because we had pack levels if needed up here. So we need to bring pack levels if needed down here. And then built levels. Hold on. Where does he assign levels in his code? Oh, there it is. Levels is build levels, and then we wrap it. So we might need that also. That was from Ed, yeah. So we're gonna need that and that and that. I don't know if we need these other calls though. No, because this is the side that's the abstract, blah, 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 right? Handle references, I think, is what does all the cleaning now. And then this, oh shit. These are the same line. Good, 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 good. This doesn't have levels. Oh yeah, it does, because it passes build levels directly. Right, which this could do the same thing. It does do the same thing. I didn't realize I'm declaring the var twice. Sorry. Okay, and then this. Ed had save world with an error. And then this one has pack levels if needed. Oh, so he did change the signature here. No, he didn't. Wait. Head has the save world function. Where is this save world function though? Oh, I got it. This is part of this hunk. So this goes away. That goes away. And this comes down here. Which also might break my change. So the signature did change to an LDTK world. Which might break some stuff. That resolves all the conflicts though. So this is still going to be broken. Parse error. I didn't expect a parse error though. Shouldn't be any parse errors in here. Oh, there it is. Oh, indentation. And log time. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to clean up these things. And then, oh, there's another one. This is telling me the types don't match. Oh, world name not declared in current scope. World IID not declared. Okay, what I want to do here is I want to check the differences between this and the previous one. See, what I don't understand. Oh, world instance name. Man not found Vim. How do I change that? Oh, it might be using the editor environment variable, which my dot files might be setting wrong. No, I don't know why that happens. Let's just see real quick if that happens in here. It doesn't. That's weird. That's very weird. Yeah, that's weird. Hey, hold on. Not the right button. It works in here. That's weird. Oh, but it's going to bring me just to that line in the file. It's not going to show me the changes. I don't know how to make this. Oh. Oh, okay. That's kind of what I wanted. So let's see. Um, what was it doing before? World data. Build levels. Yeah, well, that was my change. This was my change that it's showing. What was the one before this then? Update plugin. Oh, I pressed the wrong button again. And then that would be in the importer scripts. World.create world name. And what do I have in there now? World name. And what's it complaining? World not declared, world name not declared. Oh, so maybe what happened was he changed it in here. World instance name. Let's just look at the line number. That should help. 290. Wait, hold on. Ah, shit. My file disappeared again. Because the script isn't parsing. Okay. That's fine. So this gets me what I need, 289. That's where my problems are. Pack levels if needed. World name. Oh. Where the hell was I getting world name from originally? Or was I? Hmm. Hold on. Or pack. What I want to see is I might have mismerged my pack levels if needed function. How come that doesn't even show up? Pack levels if needed. Oh. This was not creating the world before. Also looks like it wasn't saving the levels. I'm confused. But that's fair. Probably shouldn't be saving the world. So that shouldn't happen there. Right. So save world happens once right there. I think that's what the issue is. I might be able to do this without restarting. Let's go project settings, plugins. Yeah, I think just turning it on and off again. Nope, we're gonna crash. I should have just reloaded it. Godot rendering driver. GL3. We're gonna take a quick break here. 5-minute break, you guys. Be right back. Stretch. Okay. Saving files. Oh, look at this. I think it did it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why did it double them? So I don't know what's what. So we're going to delete all of these. We're going to see what comes back in. I'm guessing it switched them to the .scene format. Yes, that's what happened. So we're going to add another 25 minutes to this and see where we get. So it looks like this is working. My new world is coming in. Lovely. Lovely. So now we've got that. What I'm going to do here is add this. And this is going to go in this as an amendment. So now everything's working. And then this can be re-importing the scenes. Assets, LDTK, re-import using multi-world support. Re-import all levels and update a plugin. Yes, we're gonna force push that shit. Okay, so now that I have this, now what we can do is rsync the other direction. Now these UDID files, I'm just gonna put those all back. Again, UDID files, put that all back. Sorry, UID files. This should be our only changes. We definitely want that. And we probably want this too. Now, how are we going to test this? There is a project here. Let's open this project. Oops. Let's open this one. Test it out, make sure everything's working. Mapviewer.tscene. Yeah, that's kind of cool. But wait, how is it? It's like casting shadows on the map. That's actually really cool. I don't know how he's doing that. Maybe he can create some like a file that has like normals or something. That's very cool. Oh, the shortcut I made to close this doesn't work. Okay, well, whatever. Gridvania. Is it a separate Godot project? No. Light.tscene. Mouselight.gd. That's pretty cool though. Mm, where's where's the levels? Where do these come from? Oh, there's the example file. Yeah, normals. There it is. That's cool. So he makes the normals and then it shows how to like cast light on it. That's actually super duper cool. Okay, so let's open this. To test this, we're going to want to go. Well, let's do a couple things. One, let's add this here. Can I add this here? A new bookmark. And let's add this one here. Because we're going to use those a lot. Oh, I see. Now what we can do is advanced project setting, multi-world support. I'm not going to commit these changes. Ooh. Yeah, no, I'm not going to commit these changes. I just want to test them. So hold on. Before I even save them, I want to do a re-import. No errors is beautiful. Okay, that's number one. And then number two, we're going to add multi-world support and test it out. What is the deal with this? Oh, what? I don't know how this works. Tiles. Oh. Oh, I gotcha. Because that's just how he did it. He doesn't have biomes or anything. How do you make the green tiles? He did it all with this? Oops. Oh, there's two. Okay, I'm a dummy. Cool. And I'm just going to hit save. I'm going to come back to the project. Sick. So this will be good for screenshots, which I don't remember how to do. Spectacle screenshot utility. There we go. Can I just do the whole screen? Run on my desktop for now. I'll move them later. Lovely. And then come into here. Cool. And that seems to work. So what I'm gonna do now, lazy get that shit. Gotta get that lazy good. Okay, UIDs. I don't really want to change these. I don't really want to change that either. I'm just looking at the GD files. So that's confusing. So I'm just gonna do git status grep. Oh god. GD. There we go. So now it's showing modified. And I think that means that they're added. So now what I'm going to do is say multi-world but let's break this up. Fix. Fix. Fortify. Prevent depth. No such property error in world sorting. During world sorting. All right. And then I can push these. And then what we can do is maybe open up a pull request. I don't know, remember how to do that per se. Ah, here we go, contribute. Open pull request. Add act level support to for add pack level support to. So what we can do here, by the way, let me pull that out. Oof, where did it go? Oh, there it is. Let's move this over to 3. There we go, so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm opening up a pull request now on this project. Fact level support for multi-world projects and fix multi-world sorting error. Or just put a semicolon. I don't know if I hit this. Oh. What? So hold on a sec. Let me go here real. Oh, because this is on his repo. Let me check it on mine real quick. I'm wondering if I should fix the author name on it. Give myself attribution here. Let me do that real quick. Git change author to commits. Hold on. Git author, git config.author, git config.email, git config author, config email, git config user. User, oh, it's git config user.name, user.email. Okay. User.name. Okay. So for this one, and you know, it's fine. I don't really care that much. I guess I would go here and do it. Source. All right. Okay. Oh, whoops. That's fine. Git commit amend reset author. No edit. Interactive rebase up a point earlier. Change the text from pick to edit. Ah. So git rebase minus I, not head, main, origin, main. Oh, I got you. It's not origin.main. I pushed. Is this. And then both of these will go to edit. Git commit amend author. Reset author. Oh. Oh, all right. I forgot to continue. And continue. Yeah, there we go. All right. Let me go here. And let me go back to, I just want to make sure it's the right one. I don't know why it doesn't load though. Oh, there it is. And then here, what we're gonna do, go over here, files, I'm gonna go desktop. We could put this in a table. And we can go here. Don't know if I can mix the image tags. I'm pretty sure I can. I screwed up something here. Hmm. And the next thing, act this together quickly. Oh, keep going. My timer's not going. Act this together quickly. My current project using the latest release as a base. Cherry picked changes on top of latest. Okay, that works. Cool. Let's send this out to the world. That was weird. I've never seen that countdown before. Cool. So we got that change out. That's a big win for us today. Doesn't help us with our project, but maybe helps other people with theirs. I didn't even look at the issues here. Uh, oops. Wow, that was posted a year ago. Boom. Nice. We contributed today to an open source project. Is there even a license file in this? I never actually looked. License. MIT? Yeah, that's what we figured. Okay, cool. Niceu, niceu, niceu. Okay, so what is next? We can close that. We can go in here and close this. And did I have anything else to do here? We can finish that. All right, I think the next things that we wanted to do. How long have I been streaming? Because the next thing I might do is eat. That might be the next thing we do here is get some food. Mm. Yeah, there we go. All right. we've been on for 2 hours. That's a good time to take a break, in all honesty. The ladder reset for Diablo 2 happens tonight. There's a chance I may partake in that and do some. I don't know if I'll stream it though. It's a pain in the neck for me to. I don't know. I run like 5 clients at the same time, and I can't do that from my Windows computer, and I can't do it from my Linux computer either, apparently. Because I still haven't figured out how to get that working. I think I'm gonna go make lunch. And then what would be the next thing we work on? Probably adding more levels. I think is really it. And then just figuring out how to like release this thing. And then we can kind of wrap this up. I just kind of want to wrap this game up quickly and then move on to the next thing, which is going to be well, I guess then the next thing would be finishing up the Unity game that we were working on. Which I don't remember. Does Unity work on this computer? Whoops. Not what I meant to do. Does Unity work on this computer? I'm going to go here and type Unity Hub. Let's see what we get. Yeah, we could save that. We don't care. Actually, don't even know if Unity Hub runs on this machine. I'm pretty sure I got it working. I'm positive I had it working at some point. I don't know if I ran it on i3 or not. I mean, worst case, we just pull out the Mac again. It's like my backup plan for everything. Mac, the computer that just works. Generally works when you want it to. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, look how freaking slow Unity is, dude. So I'm going to go like this to get my... Hopefully it's going to go to this browser, which I think is logged in. Oh, I guess it wasn't. But I think I can do this. I honestly don't remember which email I was using. Oh. Really? Oh, you know why? It's probably in... I just remembered I have to pay bills. I have to do that annoying stuff. Oops. Oh, there we go. Nice. And let's just see if this runs. I think it does. I guess the other problem with this is that if this computer is slow, then Unity's going to be even slower. So let's open up the main scene. Oh my gosh, I haven't opened this up in forever. Menus, main menu. Whatever, just hit play. Something should happen. I don't think there's any sound in this game yet. Oh my gosh, everything's broken. I mean, it's kind of working, except that it's not actually working. I should also be able to go just like to one of the levels directly and load it. I think should work. Oh, of course I picked the one that's presumably broken. Let's try a different one. Yeah, here we go. Well, my states are changing. So, what are the errors I'm getting? Not present in the dictionary. Possible race condition. Couldn't find spawn for player one. Bummer. What was this? Oh, it opened up in VS Code. That's interesting. I mean, I probably could make VS Code work. But we have IntelliJ, so I don't really need that. But hold on, what's going on in here? Oh, yeah, I don't know. But okay. Looks like, generally speaking, this does sort of work. I think a lot of the stuff I did in this game got very complicated also. So I'm going to need to redo things and simplify things in the next version of this game. Ah, dude, stop. Why is input CS empty? That's not right. Whatever. There do appear to be some issues here, though, as you can see. I don't know, menus and stuff. But whatever. That's cool. We'll exit this. And we'll restart the Unity hub. I still haven't gotten a chance to try Unreal. I mean, I did try a little bit, but it was like took forever to get anywhere, so like nothing happened pretty much. Okay, so time for lunch. But we do have some general direction of what we're going to be doing. So next thing in this game is just cranking out levels, I think. And more tile sets. And just whatever I can do to get it done faster. Done quickly. We're not too concerned about polish and stuff like that right now. And I want to send it out to a couple people, just get some opinions on it. It took too long, but I ran into a lot of really weird snags that I had to spend a lot of time on. Okay. That looks good. So I'm gonna hop off and I'm gonna eat lunch. I will be back later.